Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see about the program of GCD of two numbers. What is GCD? Greatest common divisor. Okay, so here we given the two numbers, we are going to find out the common divisor of the two numbers. So this program is done without using the recursion function. Initially we will see first how the concept works, and then we will see the program with the recursion. Okay, so now here coming to the program, here we are having as usual the include stdio.h and then integer main program starts, and here there are two numbers you are going to get to find the divisor. So integer n1 comma n2, and I is the count increment variable we are going to use, and then GCD is the greatest common divisor variable we are using. So we are having four integer variables declared over here, and then we are going to just get the input as the two numbers. So print enter the two numbers, and then scanf read the two numbers. So percentage d two formats, and then ampersand n1 ampersand n2. So reading the two numbers, integer numbers n1 and n2, which we are going to find out the GCD. The answer will be stored in the GCD. Okay, so now what is the logic works? We are going to check from the for loop from all numbers from 1 to n1 and 1 to n2. That means here this is an AND operator. This is an AND operator, logical AND operator, which is going to check the condition for both I is less than or equal to n1 and I less than or equal to n2. And then after checking, this will increment by 1. I is equal to I plus 1. Okay. So actually what is the real function here is if n1 percentage I equal to 0, this is an relational operator equal to, and this is the logical operator, and then n2 modulo I is equal to 0. We are checking both the equal operator, relational operator, checking for whether this I, variable I, will have from the value 1 till n1 and till n2 will have the modulo value as 0. That means if you are just dividing the number by the I value, and if it is not leaving any remainder, then that number is the divisor. Okay, and again that same number I is going to divide the next number n2 also. That case also, if it is leaving a 0 remainder, that means there is no remainder, means this number I is a divisor for both n1 and n2. Since it is for n1 and n2, that is the greatest common divisor. Okay, individually one number may be the divisor and for one value, and next may be the divisor for the other value, but here the logical AND checks for the whatever number you are taking, either it is n1 or n2. We are going to check for all the numbers from 1 to n1 and 1 to n2. That means suppose we are taking the GCD of 3 and 4, it will check for 1 less than or equal to 3 and I less than or equal to 4. So it will check for the AND condition. If both are true, that means that is the common divisor, and that is the greatest common divisor. Okay, so when any number is divisor, means it is not leaving any remainder. Not leaving any remainder means that means the modulo, after modulo operator, the value should be 0. This is the basic logic for checking whether the number is an proper divisor or not. Okay, so if that I divides both n1 and n2 without leaving a remainder, that means the remainder is 0, then that number is called as a GCD, greatest common divisor, which is equal to I. So which number? This I, that is the greatest common divisor. So that's all, we have find out the greatest common divisor, and then you have to print the value. So print greatest GCD of percentage d and percentage d. n1 and n2 is a number which is the divisor, and then so we have three formats: percentage d, and percentage d. So for n1, n2 and GCD, return 0. That's all. It's a very simple logic. If a number divides both the numbers leaving remainder as a 0, then that number is called as the greatest common divisor. So I have given an example. I have just executed the program with the variable with the values two integers 435 and 780, when the answer I have got is 15 is the greatest common divisor. Okay, here 5 also may be the divisor for both the numbers. We all know that when there is 0 and 5, any number ends with 0 and 5 is also the divisor. Okay, but here the case here is greatest common divisor we need. So 15 is the greatest common number which will divide both 435 and 780 without leaving any remainder. So that is the concept of this program. Hope you understood the concept of GCD and how the program works for this GCD numbers. And thanks for watching.